You don't gotta do too much, just walk. You'll get your confidence will go from whatever it's on all the way to 10. Okay?
If you're a baddie and you're having a bad day or you're feeling insecure or you just broke up with a man, go to Jamaica and walk down the street. Walk down any street. It will immediately revitalize your confidence.
Ladies, if you have ever looked in the mirror and felt insecure, this one is for you, because there is something about Jamaica that just heals you. The energy, the compliments, the love. It's like the island itself whispers, "You are beautiful, you always were." Today we are talking about something special. How women from all over the world say Jamaica helped them find their confidence again. From feeling invisible to feeling unstoppable. Let's talk about how this little island can change the way you see yourself forever.
To all my plus size girls, if you ever feeling like insecure and stuff, just go to Jamaica. Like, go to Jamaica. They're gonna make you feel like you're the baddest girl in the world. Like, just go to Jamaica. Like, go to Jamaica. Go where you're loved. Go where you're chosen.
I studied in Bangalore, which is very close to Goa. So every year we would go to Goa to celebrate summers and all. And all these years and all the vacations that I took in India to the beaches, I never wore a bikini because I never felt comfortable in my body, and there is always someone eyeing at you and make me feel uncomfortable wearing that. And the first time I wore a bikini was during my honeymoon in Mauritius. But ever since I got to Jamaica, I see people embracing themselves, loving their body, and looking at them so comfortable made me love my body, made me love myself. And please tell me what is your secret, because you guys are so confident. You so much to learn from you. It's crazy.
Yo, Jamaican people are the only people that can insult you and give you a compliment at the same time. The last time I was in Jamaica, this dude had stopped me and my baby father, and he was like, "Bombard." He was like, "Your baby mother fata nice." Like, excuse me, so why can't I just be nice? Then this one shop lady like, "Your belly big, but your face pretty." Like, I don't know whether you're insulting me or giving me a compliment for real. Like, this one guy gonna tell my baby father, "Brother, you don't need no more. Look how you have plenty." Like, first of all, they be like, "Oi, fatty, you sweetie." Y'all, long story short, going to Jamaica being fat and pretty ain't for the weak. It's definitely a whole nother experience. All the men gonna love you. You're gonna get a ton of compliments. Some of the girls too, but they definitely gonna look at you with a little envy, but they'll get over it.
The craziest thing about going to Jamaica is all your insecurities are things that they like. Like, if you don't like the way your teeth are, like you have a gap, they're like, "Oh, I love space teeth." If you feel like you're a bit too chubby, your stomach's a bit big, they love that. Everything that you're insecure about in England, in Jamaica, they love it.
Ladies, let me tell you this, ladies. This is someone feel depressed. This is someone feel insecure. This is someone feel like, say, you're not too fat, or not too short, or not too light skin, or not too dark skin. And you feel like the world against you. Because I guess so. You want some D, or not get no D. I guess what I need to do? Come to Jamaica. What I say for do? Come to Jamaica. You ever hear them say every O have them sticker bush? Well, Jamaica bush. Ladies, any country in the world and feel like, say, you feel insecure or left out, or you're not getting love or not care or no compassion from a male partner, from your male partner, your other half, or your male other, or whatever you want, call your spouse, your fiancé, or whatever. Head to Jamaica. You're over there. You tick there in a bush. Yeah. You tick there in a bush. Jamaica bush. Come to Jamaica.
We love women with belly and tummies.
We love girl with belly. We love girl them heavy. All over there work. I rep for the girl them with belly. You see, mama, big up yourself. No, make the boy make you feel no weight. You have a little belly or a little tummy. You see, you're mad. Don't do that. Embrace the belly, embrace the tummy, you know? Now, love girl with belly. We love a girl them heavy. We get shape like a Chevy. Love girl with belly. Now, now stop right there, ladies. I tell you. Is it? We love girl with belly.
Alright, now if you don't understand Jamaicans or Jamaican culture, this video is not for you. Now, if you don't know by now, a good portion of Jamaican men prefer their women to be on the bigger side. If you don't, ain't nothing wrong with that. But to certain North American women, like certain phrases that we use might come off as disrespectful or rude. That is not the case. So if you ever hear a Jamaican use the word, hey, fatty, or wagwan fatty, or hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder, he's not insulting you. He likes what he sees. Our definition of fat and North American definition of fat are two completely different things. Yes, they might have the same meaning in the dictionary, but to us, it means something completely different. See, North Americans view fat as unattractive outcasts. We view fat as attractive, come here. Now, don't get it misconstrued. When I say North American, I'm not talking about a race. I'm talking about an ethnicity. That ethnic background being Jamaicans. So yes, you can live in North America and be a Jamaican and still appreciate that type of body.
If you have ever been to Jamaica, you know the energy hits different. It's in the music, the smiles, the random compliments on the streets, and that pure joy in how people connect with you. See, in Jamaica, it's not unusual to hear a man say, "Miss, you look good today, you know?" Or, "Queen, you're strong. Me love your confidence." They hype you up, even when you don't believe in yourself. And somehow, that starts to heal something deep inside. Because for the first time in a long time, you are seen, appreciated, and celebrated just for being you. It's not fake. It's not forced. It's culture. It's love in its most natural form. There is a story of a woman from Canada. She said, "I came to Jamaica feeling broken. I hated how I looked, but the way people spoke to me, it reminded me that beauty isn't just about size or makeup. It's about presence." Another woman from the UK said, "I walked down the beach and a man said, 'You are beautiful. Don't hide that smile.' And I cried because no one ever said that to me before." These stories aren't rare. Every woman has spoken to says Jamaica made them feel alive again. Like they could breathe, laugh, and be confident without pretending. That's the thing Jamaica doesn't teach you to change. It reminds you to remember who you are. Jamaican culture celebrates women differently. There is a natural rhythm of how love is expressed through laughter, music, and community. A woman could walk through Kingston or Okorios and feel seen, not just for how she looks, but for her energy, her confidence, her vibes. The men, yes, they flirt, they compliment, but often it's not about lust. It's about respect, about admiration. They say things like, "Queen, hold your head high. You're beautiful." And for women who have been torn down by judgment or comparison, that kind of validation, it hits deep. By the same time these women leave Jamaica, something shifts. They don't walk the same. They don't talk the same. They carry themselves with that Jamaican confidence. And maybe that's the real magic. Jamaica doesn't just give you compliments, it gives you permission to love yourself again. You start to see what everyone else sees, the beauty that was always there, just waiting to shine. Confidence doesn't come from perfection, it comes from acceptance. And Jamaica, it has a way of showing you exactly that. So, to every woman watching this, if you have ever doubted yourself, if you have ever looked in the mirror and felt not enough, remember this. Sometimes all you need is a new environment to remind you how powerful you truly are. Jamaica might not fix everything, but it might remind you that there was nothing wrong with you in the first place. Drop a yellow love emoji if you ever felt that island love. And subscribe for more powerful real talk from Seth Commentary. Respect and love always.